What a good time in Grant's Farm. Those animals are super sucky.
They come up on
Hood deers. More like sock deers. Those sucky animals. Please ignore the scene in Pearl Goes to Grant's Farm where Aiden drops Pearl and almost fell off the tram. And he forgot to cut off the camera. That sucks. What a good ride.
Where your glasses at? Where they at? You lost them?
Let's hit the sock
You lost your glasses?
when we get out of here. Time to go and hit the sock.